Monumental day for New York State. Beginning today, a new state law allows undocumented immigrants to apply for a New York driver's license.
Now, the green light law, as it's called, will allow applicants lacking a valid Social Security number to apply using other forms of ID, like a foreign passport or a driver's license from another country. But News Channel 9's Josh Martin says so far, local DMVs are not seeing much movement.
Are you doing a driver's license? Come on over here, Howard.
The Madison County Department of Motor Vehicles is busy, but not any busier than usual. It was fully staffed in anticipation of the green light law going into effect.
How would you say welcome to the DMV here in Madison County?
Bienvenidos al Departamento de Motor Vehículos aquí en el Condado de Madison.
The DMV even brought in an interpreter, thinking they'd be in high demand. But so far,
it's been very quiet. We've had one person come in today who had the documents necessary, and they were documents that we were able to authenticate with a device that was provided by the state.
We called around to other county DMVs, Cayuga, Cortland, Seneca. All have said the same thing. Very few, if any, people have come to apply. New York has become just one of 14 states to allow undocumented immigrants the ability to get a license. But since the law passed in June, clerks like Michael Kelville and others across central New York have been very open about their concerns with it and the low standard of proof of ID.
Identity theft is going to be a much bigger problem for people who live in New York.
Some areas of the state tried to stop the law with legal action. Though there weren't many people here today, in Madison County, they're expecting more people to start applying later in the week. Having the proper documents doesn't guarantee a person to get a license. They still have to take the permit test and then pass a driver's test. In Wamsville, Josh Martin, News Channel 9.
The Fulton location in Oswego County did tell us several people signed up today, but did not give a specific number. To see the full interview with Madison County Clerk Michael Kelville and hear more of the concerns of county clerks throughout the state, head to localaspire.com for a web extra.